All right, so tonight for dinner, I'm making a little something different. I'm using our low carb tortillas. So these are like 4 grams of carbs. So it's still a pretty low carb dinner because of the low carb tortilla. I made some pico that is, that goes with the queso. And then I made this queso right here, as you guys can see. I did not have the poblano, so I didn't even roast it. I didn't even worry about it. So if you don't have the poblano pepper and you just don't want to worry about it, then don't worry about it and just use the other stuff. Okay, so, and then I also have some grilled chicken that I just grilled and diced. So this is 1 chicken breast, and we're going to use 2 tortillas. So what we will do then is get a little bit of the queso, put it on top of the chicken. Okay, so like 2 spoonfuls. If you like a little bit of extra cheese, you can put a little bit in there. We'll take a little bit of the pico. Now this is only if you guys like veggies in your stuff. I do, so if you don't, then don't do it, okay? So then we'll just do this and roll it up, if I can do that with one hand. All right, here it is. Before it went in the oven, I added a little bit of cheddar cheese on top just for some color. You can do whatever you want to do, but we are going to bake this for probably about like 5 minutes until it's bubbly. I'll cut into this so that you guys can see it. Oh, it looks amazing. Look how good that looks. So you can definitely eat this on the 21-day challenge. I'm probably gonna only eat 1 of the burritos because they actually turned out pretty big. If you're starving, you could eat 2, but I ended up putting a lot of the queso in here. So I'm just gonna eat 1, see how I feel, and then I'll eat more if I want. But probably gonna be pretty full because I ended up eating some chips with the queso earlier, but look how good this looks. I can't wait.